Hello. Hi, welcome. Thank you for joining me in our second recess video of the day. These videos are brought to us by New Balance. Thank you, New Balance. I am so happy you're here. I'm so happy I get to play with you for the next little bit. Welcome. My name is Coach Sarah. What's my name? And I am the program specialist for Playworks Utah, so big shout out to my Utah schools here. And welcome to you at home watching and playing with me. I'm so excited. I don't know if you can tell, I'm so excited. All right, before we get started, I would like you to think of someone you can invite to join us. Somebody in your home that you know, somebody around that you know that you can invite to join us. I'm gonna give you 5 seconds. How many seconds? 5 seconds to invite somebody to join us. If no one is available, that is totally fine. Just count down with me. You ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Are you back? Welcome back. Like I said, my name is Coach Sarah. If you can hear my voice, clap 1 time. If you can hear my voice, clap 2 times. If you can hear my voice, clap 3 times. If you can hear my voice, clap 0 times. Oh, did I get you? You're too good. You're being a good listener. I love it. All right, we invited someone to play. The next thing for us to do is to go over our group agreements. These are the rules that we're gonna follow as we play today. So repeat after me. Repeat after me. Nice. I will be safe. I will be respectful. I will have fun. Great job. So we will be safe, be respectful, and we will have fun. If you can do this, I'd like you to raise the roof. Ready? Raise the roof. Whoop, whoop. I knew you were ready. I knew you were all set. For today, we're going to be talking about this skill and practicing this skill, personal responsibility. What's the skill? Personal responsibility. Excellent. Personal responsibility is knowing that you are the only one that can choose your actions. You're the only one that chooses your own actions. And you take ownership of your choices and actions. And we try to make the best choices that we can. That is personal responsibility. We choose our own actions and we try to make the best choices. And we take responsibility or ownership of them. Excellent. For personal responsibility, we're gonna play a game called Wash, Move, Sneeze. What's the name of the game? Excellent. Wash, move, sneeze. Now, to play this game, what I'd like you to do is I would like you to stand up and find an area where you can spread your arms out without touching anyone or anything. And if you turn to the side, you should be able to spread your arms out without touching anyone or anything. And nothing should be by your feet. If you're all set, say, I'm all set, Coach Sarah. Excellent. So the name of the game is Wash, Move, Sneeze. Our first move is going to be wash. When I say wash, you're going to move to the middle and pretend to wash your hands. Let's practice. When I say wash, you're going to wash your hands. Ready? Wash. Excellent. Got to clean our nails, our palms. We are washing. So this is the move wash. Washing our hands is important because it helps kill the germs that we may get on our hands from going outside, going to the store, and that way we don't spread the germs. So wash is our first move. And that's one of the ways we can be personally responsible during this time. Excellent. Our second move is called move. Our second move is called move. And when I say move, you are going to move to the side and pretend that you're moving out of the way of somebody walking towards you. So this is move. walking towards us, we want to be polite and personally responsible and move out of their way. Excellent. Our third move, you may have guessed, is sneeze. And when I say sneeze, you are going to sneeze into your elbow and turn away. So when I say sneeze, you're going to turn into your elbow, sneeze into your elbow, and this is sneeze. We sneeze into our elbows and not our hands so that the germs don't get spread from our hands, and so that way we don't sneeze on people. Excellent. So, everyone show me your moves. When I say wash, we move to the middle, wash our hands. When I say move, we move to the side. When I say sneeze, we sneeze into our elbow. Achoo! Excellent, excellent. We can be personally responsible by doing these actions when we are outside, when we are with our friends or family or guardians. Great. So, wash, move, sneeze. The way we play this game is I'm going to call out the actions and you are going to act it out. If you make a mistake, you can give yourself a self-high five and hop back in the game. And a mistake may look like this. If I say wash and you move to the side, that would be a mistake because you're supposed to wash your hands. You give yourself a self-high five and hop back in the game. So, are we ready to try a practice round? If you're ready, say, I'm ready, Coach Sarah. Perfect. All right. Here we go. Wash. Sneeze. Achoo. Sneeze. Achoo. Wash. Move. Sneeze. Achoo. Wash. Good job. Give yourself a self-high five. Remember, if you make a mistake, that is totally fine. Hop back in the game. All right, are we ready to play for real now? If you're ready to play for real, say, I am going to go. I am going to go. Nice. All right. Here we go. Here we go. Move. Sneeze. Achoo. Sneeze. Achoo. Wash. Wash. Move. Sneeze. Achoo. Wash. Sneeze. Achoo. Wash. Sneeze. Achoo. Wash. Move. Oh, did I trick you? If I tricked you, give yourself a self-high five. Wash. Sneeze. Achoo. Move. Wash. Sneeze. Achoo. All right, go ahead and freeze. Go ahead and freeze. Show me your best superhero pose. I love it, superheroes. By washing, moving when people are walking towards us, and sneezing into our elbows, we can practice personal responsibility. Now, what is personal responsibility again? Knowing that you are the only one that can choose your own actions, and that you take ownership of your choices and actions. Because we want to be polite, especially when we're physically distancing from others, moving to the side. When someone is walking towards us, gives them space. Sneezing in our elbows, make sure that we're not sneezing onto people or things. And washing our hands, make sure that we don't spread germs. Awesome. Now that you've mastered wash, move, sneeze, I'm going to add a few more actions. So we have wash, we have move, we have sneeze, achoo. I would like to add thanks or thank you. And the way that we're going to do this action is by saying thank you in sign language. You put your hand to your chin, and this is how we say thank you in American Sign Language. Thank you. Now, saying thank you is a way that we can be personally responsible. We say thank you if someone gives us something or if they do something for us. We can be in control of our own actions by remembering to say thank you. So this is now one of our actions. I'm going to call it thanks. So we have wash, we have move, we have sneeze, and we have thanks. Thanks. All right, should we try it with just those 4? All right, ready? Hop up and down. Get your butt loose. Ready, ready? All right. Thanks. Sneeze. Wash. Move. Thanks. Wash. Sneeze. Move. Excellent. Remember, if you make a mistake, give yourself a self-high five. Hop back in the game. I'm going to add one more action to our wash, move, sneeze, thanks. Our next action is quiet, because sometimes we need to be quiet. If somebody's working in the other room or is on the phone, we need to be quiet. And the action for quiet is to put our fingers to our lips and tiptoe. This is quiet. Go ahead and practice quiet. Good job. All right, are you ready to put all 5 actions together to play? Remember, we have wash, move, sneeze, thanks, and quiet. All right, try your best. Remember, if you do the wrong action, self-high five and hop back in. Ready? Quiet. Thanks. Wash. Sneeze. Achoo. Sneeze. Move. Thanks. Sneeze. Achoo. Wash. Move. Quiet. Thanks. Quiet. Thanks. Sneeze. Achoo. Wash. Move. Wash. Quiet. Thanks. And that's it. Good job. Good job. We practiced being personally responsible by washing our hands, by moving out of the way when people are walking towards us, by sneezing into our elbows and turning away, by saying thank you, and by being quiet when people are on the phone or working in the other room. Remember, you are the only one that can choose your own actions. You're the only one that can choose your own actions. So remember to take ownership of your actions and try to make the best decision that you can. Thank you for practicing personal responsibility with me today. Thank you for playing Wash, Move, Sneeze. This is a game that you can play at home with friends or guardians or parents or family. Go ahead and play this game. I am so excited to see you in a couple hours for our cool down. And thank you so much for practicing personal responsibility. And I will see you a little later. Bye-bye. Thank you. See you later.